Hey friends, Dr. Charlie Ware here, your leading expert in natural pain management and other chronic diseases. I'm going to tell you today the 4 top things that you can do to change your life if you have sickle cell disease. Number 1, very important, move your body, exercise, do yoga, light stretching, jogging in place. Notice I didn't say go for a run. I didn't say go for a swim. I'm just saying move your body, stretch on a daily basis. Why is that important? We also know that AVN is a very, very common occurrence in sickle cell disease. We also know that a lot of times you're not moving your body, you're not moving your blood, you're not allowing the proper oxygen to come inside the body as well. By doing these simple things of stretching, you can allow the body to be stretched, allow the muscles to be relieved, as well as move the blood completely around the body, prevent AVN and other chronic situations that can set into the body because you're being so sediment or not moving your body. Number 2, of course, as always, you want to make sure you have a very, very good electrolyte replacement somewhere in your house. I love a company called Vitalyte, VITALYTE.com, Vitalyte.com. Right to the side. What are you going to do? Have a very good electrolyte replacement inside of your house, and you want to have that on a daily basis. The reason why you want to have the electrolyte is because of the fact that it's going to have all of the trace nutrients and also the neurotransmitters also inside there as well. What are neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are different trace elements that allow your brain and your nervous system to connect together. That's going to allow you to actually fight pain better, allow you to think better, and allow your body to actually reduce the inflammation in your system as fast as possible. So electrolytes are very, very key to you. Number 3, sleep. Sleep is king. Okay, we know some of you guys also do suffer from pain insomnia. If you're able to move your body, you're drinking and hydrating yourself efficiently, the sleep is going to come a lot better because the pain should be a lot less as well. So you should definitely get yourself into what we call a good sleep hygiene. We know that the best sleep or the best quality of sleep is when you go to bed between 9:30 and 11:30 at night. That's when your body is going to fall into a REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, and allow your body to rest and repair itself. You want to get to a good habit of sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours a night. I know it seems like a lot, but you want your body to repair. And as a sickle cell patient, you need as much sleep as possible in order for you to have the best health possible as well. You want to take all electronics out your room. If you have a television in your room, do not watch television at least a half an hour to 45 minutes before you go to sleep. You also don't want to have your phone right by your head as well. If you wear a watch or some sort of tracking, sleep tracker thing, make sure that you have it sort of away from your body, because all those electromagnetic waves that are being emitted from that thing can actually mess with your sleep-wake cycle as well. So you want to make sure you have the best way for you to go to sleep as well. Number 4, and the most important for me, as always, is going to be nutrition. I talk about this in almost all my videos, and I talk about it so importantly because nutrition is key for everything. Whatever you put in your mouth is going to either increase your health or take away from your health. And we here want to make sure that you are eating and having the best life possible. Having a smoothie for lunch is okay, but it's not going to actually increase your health life because of the fact that a lot of times you have the smoothies that are really sweet. Even though it's from fruit, it still can be way too sweet and actually can add more inflammation to your gut, thus preventing your body absorbing other nutrients. You want to have nice juices that are not too sweet, or if it's sweet, you want to make it sweet only with a green apple. You don't want things too sweet because even fructose can actually have a side effect of causing inflammation. You want to make sure that you're having a well-balanced breakfast, a healthy balance of having raw seeds, raw nuts, dried fruit that's not cured with anything at all, or fresh fruit as well. Also like nut butters too, that you can have with fruits and veggies too. It's a great snack. You want to have a sensible lunch as well as a healthy dinner as well, composed of a lean protein, a bunch of greens, and a very sensible starch too. These are all the components that I feel as if you do these 4 things right here, right today, it can change your life. We see it happen every day when individuals take the commitment to themselves and improve their health to make sure that this sickle cell is something that they don't live with, they live above. Here at Healing Blends Global, our motto is life without limits. So when you live life without limits, you won't let sickle cell keep you down. You won't let these 4 things be a hindrance, but a help for you to have your maximized life. This is Dr. Charlie Ware, your leading expert in natural pain management and other chronic diseases. Take care.